Hello fam, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my home using all natural ingredients that are budget friendly and also safe to our health, and above all, they're gonna leave your home sparkling clean and smelling good. So guys, we have a lot to do. Let's get started. Join the family. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. On this channel, I do everything home and self-care.
Deep like an overdose, you're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
I try my best to be environmentally friendly by reusing my freezer bags. So once I have them emptied, whatever that was in, I just place them into the dishwasher and wash them and reuse them again as much as I can until they are no longer usable. That is when I dispose of them.
I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Your body wrapped around me, good mistake. You got me looked about it, you and me got me losing sleep. I am in too deep like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
I was never a coffee drinker. Like, I literally hated coffee because of its bitter nature, but that's changed ever since we got this coffee machine. It makes the best coffees ever. The espresso, the cappuccino, latte macchiato, which happens to be my favorite, the macchiato, it tastes so good. Or is it latte cafe? It's just amazing. And no, this video is not sponsored. It's just my honest opinion on this coffee maker. And yeah, and this is where I'm going to show you what I use to clean my coffee machine, the interior, and also all of my kitchen appliances or electronics. So this is water, and that is white vinegar. So I literally have 50% of water and 50% of white vinegar, and that is what I use to spritz the interior and wipe it down with a microfiber towel thoroughly, and it just leaves this appliance smelling odorless, like literally. And it also eliminates any form of bacteria, mold, or anything like that. So I've been using this vinegar water mixture for a while, and trust me when I say it does a good job at cleaning literally everything. And I use them on my stainless steels, my silverware. It gets rid of hard water marks and grease or fat. So for the greasy ones, you just add a little bit of dish soap and then spray your vinegar mixture, and it just eliminates this easily, and it leaves your appliances brand new, shining, sparkling. Summer is taking full effect and it's so hot. So the kids needed to have something chilled to drink. So I decided to make a apple shoulder for them, and I also had some sparkling water with lime. It was so refreshing. The drink break was necessary. I felt so rejuvenated afterwards and continued filming. Again, the vinegar solution cleans your windows like nothing else. And if you're here for a while, you know I love plants. So I went on to water my plants. And plants are just so important in your house. Like, you literally exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. So you've got to have a personal relationship with them. And I also do add some kind of what is it called, fertilizer, natural fertilizer to these smaller plants. And I use a chlorophyll kind of liquid for the bigger plants. I add it to the watering can, and then I filled up the can with water and then water all the plants. And once in a while I try to groom the plants by removing any dead leaves, any dried branches. This orchids, this very plant, it's one of the most hardest plants or flowers to maintain. Sometimes it wants sun, sometimes it doesn't want sun. It's just so unpredictable, but I love it. It's
I just
so
love
pretty.
flowers. Like, they literally make me happy.
Alright fam, so for our next all natural cleaning agent, you need some baking soda, bicarbonate of soda, and some white vinegar. So I was running out from my normal white vinegar that I use to clean, so I would be using also the one that I use to cook. So basically, pour into a bowl your bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar. You can adjust the consistency to your liking, and then stir it well, and this is going to get rid of any dirt. Watch the magic. So for your toilet, I know that was gross, but I let it get to that point just so I can demonstrate that this actually works. So just dip a kitchen paper towel into your mixture and then stuff that all around your toilet seat, and then cover it up and let it sit at least for like 30 minutes. You can also do this overnight. And then once this time is up, just come back, remove those paper towels and give it a good scrub. And you will be amazed at how well this works. So I also use it on my sink and also the shower, including the shower glass doors. It removes all the hard water and leave it shiny. And also I poured in bicarbonate of soda, a pack, into the toilet itself, and that is also gonna get rid of everything in there.
light that you share. You're like the sun. Who am I to think how it'd be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming best. My stereo, I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song. Drowning in your words from the stories that you carry. I would never judge, don't you ever say you're sorry. I don't mind if you don't mind it, sharing all your secrets with me. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming best in my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song.
And it was a very beautiful day. Sun was shining, like really tropical, and I just went outside to do some outdoor arrangements because I was sure the kids are gonna go out to have a swim in the pool, and so I arranged a little bit and get myself to relax for a little bit before they come out. And yeah, I was just taking it in. Absolutely beautiful out there. Please be sure to apply some sun lotion on the kids and also yourself when you're out there in the sun, and just protect yourself. Stay safe, guys. And that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Take care and thank you for watching.